So I just wanted to make this video real quick to show you guys how to put together your Namawell J2 Juicer. So this is the base, obviously. Take this bottom part here. This is where the juice comes out. This is where the pulp comes out. You're gonna take this piece. This rubber stopper is very important. You're gonna put the rubber stopper, this flappy side, you wanna put it in there. Just push it in, that's all. Close that bad boy up, okay? Boom, you got that part. You got this piece ready to go. Now what you're gonna do is, you'll have these two separate pieces, and you're just going to slap it on there. These little bumpy thingies, this goes on the bottom. You can see the difference between the top. So just slap that in there. Next, these wing pieces, you're gonna line that up with the little indents, the divots in here. As you can see, the big one, small one over here. So all you do is, big one with the big one, drop it in there. And then we're gonna take our agar, I believe that's what it's called, agar, something like that. Christina Aguilera. And you are just going to drop it in there as well, but you also want to make sure that it is flush. So you may have to just drop and twist it just a little bit. Nothing is sticking up besides this, of course. This is our hopper. And for the hopper, all you're going to do is, you'll see on this piece here, there will be a lock and an unlock. So obviously you're going to lock it, put it on and lock it. You'll find this notch on your hopper here, and you're just going to line that up with the unlock, put it down, and then twist it over till it locks. And then you just put the whole thing there. Oh, your lid is also removable. Don't fret if it pops off. It's supposed to do that. You just stick it on there, close it up, okay? And then you have the part that the juice goes in. Also comes with a lid on this side. I have mine so close to the sink it's gonna fall. And then you have the other side that the pulp goes in. And that's it. Our juicer is ready to go.